Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Essentials. Make sure your Android runs 8. 0 or higher, NFC is enabled, and Google Play services are current. Next, add a Saudi-issued debit or credit card or a supported international card because banks control tokenization. Once done, open Google Wallet, tap Add, choose Payment Card, and follow on-screen capture and verification. This links your card to a secure token. Make sure location and network are stable during verification to avoid delays. After you add card details, the bank must verify you. This may use SMS OTP, your banking app, or a short call. Provide the code promptly because verification expires quickly. Once your card shows as active, go to Phone Settings, right arrow Connections, right arrow NFC, enable it, and set Google Wallet as default tap to pay so terminals selected automatically. If you use multiple cards, mark one as default for faster checkout. Keep your phone screen unlocked when tapping for smoother transactions. To pay, open Google Wallet or wake the screen and hold the phone close to the contactless reader until you see confirmation. Make sure the merchant terminal supports contactless payments and your card's daily limits aren't exceeded. If a payment fails, first restart the phone and verify NFC is on, then open Wallet to confirm the card status. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, or call your bank to check tokenization and regional blocks. These are the most common causes in Saudi Arabia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.